All right, number 15. We're asked to find angle BC. So that's the side across from angle A. We are given angle A, it's 144 degrees, and we're also given the other two sides. One is 18 kilometers, the other is 25 kilometers. So let's see, I don't think law of sines is going to work out here, because in order to do law of sines here, I would need to know another angle. Because if I try to do law of sines here, let's see, I might start off like sine of 144 over A equals sine of, I don't know another angle. So law of sines, not going to work here. We don't really have the right combination of information. So let's try law of cosines instead. So we're given this 144 degree angle, and we want to know the side opposite that angle A. So if I'm looking for A, and I'm using the law of sines, I'm going to start this off with A squared. So A squared equals, then we've got 18 squared plus 25 squared. So the other two sides squared, added together, minus 2 times those same sides, 18 and 25, times the cosine of that angle across from the side we're looking for. So cosine of 144 degrees. So the only unknown is here on the left, A, and it's being squared. So to solve for A, I've got to square root what's on the right. So I'm going to press second, square root, and I'm going to type it in exactly as it appears. So type it in exactly as it appears inside the square root, and it looks like we get 40.95. We're rounding to the nearest tenth, so that would round to 41.0. So A is about 41.0 kilometers. All right, let's go ahead and knock out 16. So 16, we're given angle B is 137 degrees. Side labeled C is 30 feet. Side labeled A is 28 feet. And we're asked to find B. So if we had possibly another angle, we could use law of sines, but we do not. So let's try law of cosines here. And we're looking for B. So we're going to start this off with B squared equals. We're looking for B, and we do have the angle across from it, angle B. It's 137 degrees. So we have that, and we have the other two sides. So we can use law of cosines here. So we've got 30 squared plus 28 squared. It does not matter the order that you add these. Minus 2 times those two sides, 30 and 28, times the cosine of angle B. So cosine of 137 degrees. So this is very similar to the number 15 here. So I know everything over here, and B is being squared. So to finish finding B, I'm going to take the square root of it. So everything on the right hand side of the equal sign, I'm putting inside the square root, since in order to get B by itself, I have to do the opposite of squaring, which is taking the square root. So I'm taking the square root of everything on the right side of the equal sign. So it looks like B is about 54.